County in south central Wisconsin until 12:45 a.m. At 8:49 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area.
Flash flood warning.
Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar.
This is my first flooding
Flash
alert
flooding
I've
of
ever
small
got.
creeks and streams,
My
urban
life.
areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Mineral Point, Darlington, Shullsburg, Belmont, Benton, Argyle, Wheeler, Linden, New Diggings, South Wayne, Waldwick, Elk Grove, Fayette, Lamont, Rui, Browntown, Gratiot, Calamine, Yellowstone Lake St. Park, and Leadmire. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Okay, flash flood warning.